Hey guys, it's Tushar here. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make a good looking logo for your YouTube channel. So we are gonna start now. First of all, go to File, click New, and select the dimensions. I'm gonna select 500 into 500 because it is the simple dimension for the logo. And choose the transparency, or if you want background color, I'm gonna use transparent and I'm going to click OK. And now what you will have to do when the canvas comes inside you, when the canvas comes like it is came. Now what you have to do, go to text and select the font whichever you want. So I'm gonna select Vermin Whites. So if you want, you can go to description. The link for all the fonts where you can get it are available there. So I'm gonna make for my channel. So I'm gonna put the initials DC. So click here and now enter DC. Now select it and go to the font size and enter your size whichever you want. I want here 300 and drag it till it does not come in the center. Now select the color. I'm gonna choose light green and just click OK, and you are gonna see this. Now I want a border in the low DC, like a rectangle type box which cuts all the DC. So what am I going to do? I'm going to right click here and it will show a rounded rectangle tool. Right click here and I'm going to just drag it till where I want. So I want here, and now I'm going to go here and set the stroke width. So I'm going to, I think this is okay. Yeah. Now in the beside layers, the rounded rectangle one, right click and go to rasterize. And now you can go to sniping tool or polygon lasso tool and zoom in using Alt plus mouse scroll, and whichever area you want to cut, just click it and like this one. I want to cut this area. Now just press enter. It will disappear from there. Now at this side I want to cut this and till this. Now I'm going to delete it, and now I'm going to scroll out. Now it's looking not that much nice, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna right click the rounded rectangle and go to blending options and just select drop shadow and gradient overlay, and whichever gradient overlay you want to select you can select. I'm gonna use this one, and you can see it whether it look like or not. I'm gonna see the stroke. It looks good, and I'm gonna press OK. And now you see here DC. So I'm gonna go to blending options, select drop shadow, gradient overlay, and stroke. Now I'll be I'll be changing the gradient. So I think I should change color overlay. And now I'll be changing the font color, so this look good. And as you can see here, it is overlaying it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to resize it, and now I'm gonna go to again lasso tool and select this one, and again zoom in. I'm gonna cut this area, and I'm gonna delete it. Go to this, and I'm gonna select this, and just cut that area. So now it looks good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to text tool again, and I'm gonna select other text. The font I should use here, uh, I think broken glass would be okay. Now I'm gonna click upside, but you can see it is coming in to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rasterize DC, and again I'm gonna click on it. Now whatever the name you want, like I want. First of all, I'm gonna change the font size so that it could be adjusted in it. So the font size I'm gonna choose is 30, and now I'm typing my channel's name and bring it down and select it. Now I'm gonna go to that font which I was gonna use. That was broken glass. No, it not looks nice. So uh, I'm gonna use Android. Now you can see here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color. So the color I'm gonna keep is this, and just click OK. And now what I'm gonna do is now I think this is nice. Now I'm gonna go to polygon lasso, and I'm gonna select the whole area outside, and now I'm gonna right click, and I'm gonna click new layer, and the color I'm gonna choose is yellow, and just click OK. And now you can see the yellow color is here. So what I'm gonna do is go to blending options and change the color overlay. I think it is not coming. So what I should do is I should go to the pen tool and select path, and now just selecting the outside area, and I'm gonna go to fill path, and whatever color I want I can fill it here. So I want yellow, and just OK. It is coming red. Yeah, and the layer is created, and now it looks good, but it is not like that. So so now what we are going to do is we will go to blending options, and now I'm going to select texture. So you can see, and you can change the texture like wherever you want. So this looks nice, and then I'm gonna change the color, and I'm gonna add shadow. And the color I should choose here. I'm gonna choose black. Now I guess stroke not that good. So I'm gonna click OK, and again I'm gonna go to resize it. Now what I'm gonna do is I can go again to the text tool and select the font. The font I want here is Blanco, so it looks nice. But you can see that it is not coming that in this area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this, press Control, and now select this. Now I'm gonna press Control T. Took me there. First, let me remove it. Now I'm gonna just click here and press Control T. And now you can see a box. Now I can resize it like whichever kind I want. So I'm gonna resize it inside it and press Enter. Here it is. Now I'm gonna go to Save As. I'm gonna go to PNG and I think logo. Now I'll be just saving it, and whichever kind you want you can do. I'm gonna choose smallest because it keeps the size small, and it could be used as a thumbnail also. So I'm gonna click OK, and here it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and goodbye.